this video, I'm breaking down 6 key rules to lose visceral belly fat, the dangerous fat around your stomach that affects your health, energy, and hormones. Everything that I'm about to share here is exactly what helped me to lose my belly, to get my energy back, and to feel like myself again. This one might hurt some people. Alcohol needs to go. Your liver stops burning fat while trying to get rid of the alcohol. And alcohol is toxic, so your body treats it as a first priority to remove. Even a couple of glasses a week reduce your ability to lose visceral fat significantly. And many people don't even realize that those few drinks during the weekend are the reason that your belly never changes. I hereby challenge you to leave out alcohol for 30 days. Everyone who does this say they feel better, they look better, and losing weight becomes way easier. And if you're serious about losing weight, make sure to download my 7 Habits for Weight Loss guide down below in the description. It's completely for free, and it's exactly what I use to lose 50 pounds. Rule number 2 is simple. If you want to lose fat, processed food needs to go. And this includes packaged snacks, fast foods, and sugary items, and anything with a long ingredient list. Based on scans from experts, when people stop to eat processed foods, the visceral fat goes down fast. And the moment they add it back, even for one weekend, the fat starts to return. Highly processed carbs trigger insulin spikes that force your body to store more belly fat. This doesn't mean you need a perfect diet. Just cutting 80% of your processed foods will give you major results. And I would start with the biggest trigger foods that you eat the most. Rule number 3 is the right kind of exercise. Here's where most people go wrong. Too much exercise can actually stop visceral fat loss. A long duration cardio like running or cycling can increase stress hormones. Instead, short and intense workouts work best for visceral fat. You can think about sprints, push-ups, pull-ups, and any short and intense workouts for 1 to 3 times a week. And start small, because even 10 minutes a day is enough if you stay consistent. The next one isn't easy, but it gave me the biggest results, which is fasting. I personally think that fasting and sunlight are the most underrated rules if you want to lose visceral fat. Fasting activates autophagy, your body's natural cleaning and fat-burning process. Fasting reduces visceral fat by giving your digestive system a break. I used 15 to 16 hours of fasting and it works, and it's easy to implement. Why? Most of you will not eat anyways 3 to 4 hours before you go to bed, and add in 7 to 8 hours of sleep and you're basically almost there. As for sunlight, 15 to 20 minutes is completely enough. This will improve your metabolic health and reduce your belly fat. And if you combine it with fermented food like yogurt, kimchi, you will tremendously help your gut, which will improve your fat loss. The next one is quite obvious, but very important, because if you don't fix this one, none of the other tricks will work. Improve your sleep and reduce your stress. And I know it's easier said than done, but poor sleep and stress increase cortisol, and cortisol tells your body to store belly fat. Poor sleep quality and high stress cause your body to lay down more visceral fat, even when your diet is okay. And it's one of the strongest connections that researchers see in their scans. So aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep and add one simple habit that will lower your stress. And this should be really simple, something like a 10-minute walk or practicing breathing techniques. Remember, small changes help big time. And finally, and I actually hate this one the most, cold exposure. And I'm not talking about ice baths. This one is optional, but it can give you a real edge, especially with stubborn belly fat. But simple cold showers activate brown fat, which burns calories and improves your insulin sensitivity. Better insulin sensitivity means less visceral fat. And also it reduces inflammation, which will help your metabolism to work properly again. And you don't need to be Iceman and go swimming in some cold rivers. I'm talking about simple 1 to 2 minute cold showers. It took a while for me to get it, but I'm not going back. I started to love them. Losing visceral fat is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Focus on these 6 key rules and your body will change from the inside out. And if you want to start today, make sure to download my 7 Habits for Weight Loss guide down below in the description. It's completely for free and it's exactly what I use to lose 50 pounds in under 6 months. Make sure to like and to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.